Hey you, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trixie, and in this channel I upload videos that talk about self-improvement, lifestyle, and just everything good vibes. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a digital party invitation for the new normal in parties, which include Zoom virtual call parties and drive-by parades. You can create these invitations on your own in under 5 minutes. They're easy, they're pretty, and they're free. This is actually part 2 of how to create a digital party invitation. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, which shows the basics of creating your own party invitation using Canva, go ahead and watch it after this. The link will be down in the description below. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro very long. Without further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. Okay, now let's create an invitation that's more for the new normal, which is like for drive-by parades or an invitation for a Zoom birthday party or any video call. Now that we know how to replace images, it's gonna be easier for us. Okay, so let's go back here to the templates. Let's do one for a drive-by parade. So let me just look for one that's pretty simple, because all we're gonna do is change the image into like an image of a car. So I think this one's cool right here. So we can click this one. Let me just replace this current item that I'm on. Okay, so let's say we have a drive-by for Alexa. We can just leave all of these as is first. You know how to replace the text already, so we won't deal with that. What we're gonna replace is this one. What you can do is either make it smaller and then put it on the side or whatever. Oh, there are 3 different images. But if you totally don't want to use any of it, just click on them and delete. I think I want to leave these though, because these might be cute for the car. So now we're gonna go to elements. From here we are gonna look for a car. Yeah, there's a lot of free ones in here. I think this one up here will be cute. Yeah, I think it's cute. So what you can do is just drag this into the middle. I'm not sure about this circle. Maybe make the circle smaller and put it behind right here, and put this hat on top of the car. There you go, your image is done. And then for the text, you can just add the words drive-by to it. So for this one, it says Alexa is for, and we're having a drive-by party. Make this smaller. And we're having a drive-by party! Exclamation point. So for drive-by invitations or for drive-by parties, we usually have like a window of 1 hour or maybe 2 hours. So 1 o'clock to 3 p.m. So anyone can drive by, honk their horns or drop gifts and just greet the birthday celebrant within this time. So yeah, we'll leave the address as is first. Let's pretend that that's the address, and voila, there you have it. You have another cute invitation, this time for the new normal. I like it. So again, after you're done, just click this arrow and download. Okay, last but not least is a Zoom birthday party invitation. It can also be for other video calls. Let's go back to the templates. We're back in birthday invitations for 5x7. And now again, we can pick any that we want. And basically we're just changing the text for this one. Let's go with this one. There's no watermarks or anything that we need to replace. All we need to do is change the details. Let's pretend that it's Holly's 30th birthday, but it's gonna be a Zoom birthday. What we need to add will be the details of the Zoom call. So instead of an address, we will put the meeting ID and the password. We're also going to put the date and the time, of course. So let's say it's July 15th, 2021 at 6 p.m. And then just type in meeting ID and then type in the ID. And then next will be the password. Do a pretend password. And there you go. If you have additional notes, you can just put them in here. Like, please don't forget your glass of wine for a toast. Oh, actually, we can edit this part to say that it's a Zoom virtual call. So we can say you're cordially invited to a Zoom video call for Holly's 30th birthday. Oh, wait, there's a typo here. There you go. And that's it. Ready to print, ready to send. How easy was that? Now you can create your own digital party invitation for your next Zoom call, drive-by parade, or any other celebration that you have coming up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any good stuff. Again, don't forget to watch part 1 if you haven't yet. The link will be down at the description below. I'll see you again soon. Zoom virtual call parties and drive-by parade parties. Is that right? Drive-by parade parties.
Drive-by.
But yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro long. Without further ado,